Hello, everyone, and welcome to this demonstration using the new OpenAthens systems to access resources, electronic resources on the web. In this example, I'm going to act like I'm a graduate student or researcher, and I'm going to do a search on a topic of my interest. In this case, specifically, it'll be about Europa. So this topic I'm searching on is brine migration on Europa. And so here's the search, which I'm doing through Google on my Firefox browser. And I can see the results of this search just like any other result. And the first topic over here, first link over here, actually takes me to wiley.com. And that's where the article is published. So I'm going to click on this link. And it's going to take me to the Wiley website. And here I am on the Wiley website. And you can see the article itself, the author's abstract, plain language summary, as well as some other details. What I probably want to do is read the full text or perhaps download the PDF, which is what I'm going to do in this demonstration. And in order to do that, I'm going to log in. It's very important to kind of focus on how you're going to log in. And so over here, there's an option up there to log in. There's some things about membership. What we're looking for is something that talks about institution login. And I'm going to do that by clicking on this PDF. And if you look again, it's a similar page, but there's some additional details on how to get access to this paper. Over here, you can see institutional login, and this is what we're going to click on. But before we go there, I just want to reiterate some things. There are multiple login pages, and depending on the vendor themselves, there'll be many ways to access the resource. We want to focus on institutional login and not other types of logins, for example, trying to purchase it or online access, membership, or this top login over there. We want to focus on institutional login. Institutional login, when I click on it, takes me to an option to search for my institution. And what you want to do is enter the name of your institution. In our case, it's going to be Florida Atlantic University, which I'm going to start typing in here. Notice there's also another login over here that says OpenAthens, sign in with your OpenAthens account. You're actually going to log in with your FAU account, but in order to do that, first you have to find Florida Atlantic University. So be sure to enter your institution name here, not click on sign in with OpenAthens. So I'm going to type in Florida Atlantic, and I think that's good enough. What will happen is if you type enough words, the university name will come up. So we're going to click on Florida Atlantic University. And now it's going to take me to a page which will allow me to sign in. Now, if you're a FAU student or faculty or staff member, you'll be clicking on this link to authenticate. And over here, we're going to log in. I'm going to log in with my username and password. And if you notice, this is our standard SSO login, single sign-on that you use for many resources on FAU, such as Canvas or Workday. I'm going to click on login. And after a few seconds, after it's authenticated you, it'll take us back to the online library. And there's the PDF document that we wanted to read. Here's the abstract and summary, but the article itself is provided in detail over here for us to see. And you can also download the PDF if you wanted. But in this case, we're just going to read the article. So as you can see, using the OpenAthens system to log in and authenticate through our FAU single sign-on is a much simpler way of finding your resources. Thank you again.